Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About x, I can put into 2x minus x. This one we can do about factorization. This one by negative number 1. Next, we can do another factorization by x plus 2. Next, we can do about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over s minus 1, capital B over s plus 2. Next, we do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about s plus 2. About this one, it is missing about s minus 1. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s, we have a plus b. About the numbers, we have 2a minus b. Now, we need to compare coefficients. We have 5x, that means a plus b equals to number 5. About the numbers, we have number 1, so 2a minus b equals to number 1. So now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions in here. So a equals to number 2, b equals to number 3. And now we put a and b on here. So a equals to number 2, b equals to number 3. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.